Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on a really powerful tool called Adobe Journey Optimizer, or AJO for short. You know that feeling when a brand sends you a message that's just perfectly timed and super relevant? Well, there's a really good chance AJO is the powerhouse behind the scenes making that happen. So, here's our game plan for today. We're going to start with why personalization is such a huge deal, then introduce how AJO solves that problem. After that, we'll look under the hood at its engine, AEP. We'll break down what AJO actually does, how it plays with all the other Adobe tools, and, of course, what this all means for the future of customer engagement. Let's dive in. All right, first things first. Before we can really get what AJO is all about, we have to understand the massive challenge it was designed to tackle from day one. And here it is, the multi-million-dollar question, right? Today, customers like you and me, we don't just want personalization, we pretty much expect it. Every single interaction, whether it's on a website, in an app, or in an email, it needs to feel instant, seamless, and like it was made just for us. Now that's simple enough when you have a handful of customers, but millions? That is the mountain every single brand is trying to climb. Okay, so how do you even begin to climb that mountain? Well, that brings us right to the star of our show today, Adobe Journey Optimizer. So at its very core, you can think of AJO as an orchestration engine. I love the analogy of a conductor leading an orchestra. The conductor isn't playing the violin or the drums, nope. Their job is to tell every single instrument, email, push notifications, your web experience, exactly what to play and when to play it. The result? For each individual customer, it all sounds like one beautiful, seamless piece of music. And this quote from Adobe's own documentation really zeroes in on the two magic phrases here. Real-time orchestration. That means AJO isn't reacting to something you did yesterday. It's responding to what you are doing right this second. And one-to-one personalization at scale. I mean, that's the holy grail, isn't it? It's all about making every single person out of millions feel like they are the only person you're talking to. So how in the world does AJO pull this off? I mean, it's incredibly powerful for sure, but it doesn't do it alone. Its true strength comes from the amazing foundation it's built on, the Adobe Experience Platform, or, as you'll hear it called, AEP. And this right here is the absolute key distinction. AJO isn't just a tool that kind of plugs into the Adobe Experience Platform. It's a native application. It was basically born and raised right there, on that platform. This is so important because it gets rid of all those clunky connectors and data delays. They literally share the same digital DNA, and that is the secret sauce to its incredible speed and power. Let's try another analogy. If AJJ is the high-performance engine that's making all the smart decisions, then AEP is the entire car, built around it, plus the fuel. AEP is doing all the heavy lifting in the background. It's gathering data from every single touchpoint, your website clicks, your app usage, in-store purchases, you name it. And it's stitching all of that together into one single, unified, real-time profile for every single person. And this just breaks down that workflow perfectly. So step one, all that data flows into the AEP foundation. Step two, AEP takes that data and builds this living, breathing, real-time customer profile. And then finally, step three, the AJO engine kicks into gear using that rich profile to orchestrate the absolute perfect customer journey. It's a beautiful system. Okay, so we established that AJO has access to this incredible unified data. But what does it actually do with it? How does it turn all that data into a real conversation? Well, AJO basically manages communication in two main flavors. On one hand, you have journeys. Now, these are these super smart, dynamic, one-to-one conversations that react to a customer's behavior in real time. A classic example is a welcome series when you sign up, or those handy abandoned cart reminders. They're totally unique to each person's timeline. Then, on the other hand, you have campaigns. These are more like the traditional messages we're used to, sent to a whole bunch of people at once. Think your weekly newsletter or a big flash sale announcement. AJO handles both, and it does it brilliantly. And if you want to get even more granular, journeys themselves have different types based on what triggers them. A single action, like you making a purchase, can set off a unitary journey. That's your order confirmation email. A scheduled message to a group is a read audience journey. When you hit a new loyalty tier, a real-time audience qualification journey can welcome you to the VIP club. And then a business event journey can react to something like a flight delay, updating everyone who's affected all at once. The flexibility here is just immense. But here's the thing. AJO and AEP aren't just an island.
They're actually designed to be the central nervous system that connects Adobe's entire Experience Cloud together.
And because everything is built on that shared AAP foundation, the integrations are just seamless. This means AOJO can pull insights from customer journey analytics to make its logic even smarter. It can grab content directly from Adobe Experience Manager, or AEM, to build personalized emails on the fly. And this is crucial, it's not a closed system. It can connect to any external tool through APIs, which really makes it a truly open hub for all of your customer data and content.
All right, let's bring it all home. We've covered a lot of ground. So, what are the key takeaways? Why does a tool like AJO matter so much in the world today?
So here's the bottom line. Ajazo's real magic comes from its unique architecture. It's an orchestration engine built directly on top of a unified data foundation. That's the secret that lets it deliver true, real-time, one-to-one personalization on a massive scale. It gets the difference between a personal, ongoing journey and a simple campaign last. And it acts as that central hub to activate all your data and content, no matter where it lives.
And that really leaves us with one final thought. When you have the power to listen to your customers in real time and then design the perfect automated response for pretty much any scenario, well, the technology is no longer the limit. The only limit left is your imagination. The question is no longer, can we do it, but what journey will you build first?